G.L.A.M.s, it's your host again, Natana with the Glam Life. Well, I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And once again, thank you to all my returning viewers, subscribers, as well as followers. Back here with another video. This one is going to be on deep conditioning. And this time I'm going to be featuring the product in the Garnier Whole Blends, the Honey Treasures conditioner. I've already have my hair shampooed. I clarified using the Tresemme Moisture Rich shampoo to get out all the grease and the sulfates and parabens that I do happen to use on my hair. So I picked this product up in Walmart. Just want to try something new, and this is a curl friendly product. So let's just go ahead and give you a little bit of background on what it is. It basically states that the Honey Treasure Repairing Conditioner heals hair and repairs damage of dry, damaged hair. The blend is crafted with honey, propolis, and royal jelly extracts in a high, lush, creamy formula that brings life to wholesome hair care. It is paraben-free and gentle enough for everyday use. So they do say it works best when you have the shampoo as well as the mask for this line, but I'm just going to be going in with the conditioner to see how it works on my hair. So let's go ahead and get started. One of the features I do like about this is that the product is the dispense rather for the product is turned over, so when you get ready to use all the product, you know that you're able to get it all out, because the bottle you dispense it from the bottom instead of the top. And it is rather creamy, and I'm just going to go ahead and start with this section of hair. The smell is very refreshing. It is a little overbearing, so if you are fragrance sensitive to fragrances, just be mindful of that. But it is very soft, and it is gliding right through, which is a must when you have natural hair. You want something with amazing slip. So, and being that I clarify my hair, I do try to find conditioners that's going to soften it and get the moisture back in. So I did decide to pick this up. And best of all, if you are looking for a curl friendly product, this right here, according to their standards, is because it has no parabens and no sulfates. So I'm just working it right in, and I am being very gentle because I do have some knots in certain places that I did not get out while I was shampooing. So, but I am liking the product. I want to just take a little bit more for this section right here and apply it. And I'm just pretty much starting from the middle part of the hair shaft, gliding all the way to the end, and then working my way up, and just making sure that I saturate each strand with the product. So the benefits I am liking about it so far is that it has amazing slip. That's number one. The second thing is that I do feel my hair softening, being that my hair was clarified prior to me using the conditioner. So that is a next plus. And number three, I like the way that the product is dispensed. I don't have to turn the product upside down. It's already conveniently dispensed in that direction. So I am so far liking this product. Again, I'm just doing a review to see how it overall works on my hair. And for this section right here, I did use 2 large amounts to be able to get the product to work all the way through. And let me just do a close-up for you guys. You see how consistent that is. It's the strands are completely lubricated, which is what I want and what you also should look for in a deep conditioner. So this is pretty much section 1, and I'm just going to take another section of hair. It's best to detangle your hair in sections to make sure that the product gets evenly through each strand. And I am taking a generous amount. Look at that. It is a generous amount. And I'm just applying down the hair shaft, working in those ends. And I'm mainly applying a lot more product on the ends of the hair because that is the oldest part. But the smell is, to me, a little overbearing. So again, if you are sensitive to scents, just be mindful of that. So just gliding it right through, and just look at that slip. And I'm just taking another section. And I'm liking this as well because I'm able to work through pretty quickly through it. I did do a pre-poo on my hair using castor oil and canola oil, and I'm going to have a link in the description box talking through the benefits of a pre-poo featuring myself and baby girl. We have discussed the 5 major benefits of pre-pooing the hair, which is essential when dealing with natural hair. So this section right here is a little bit matted, but as you all see, I'm just able to go right through it. The product is allowing me to glide right through and get it worked in. And hair, while it's wet, is very fragile, so you definitely want to take your time and pack some patience. Depending on the density, the length, and the thickness of your hair is all going to depend on how much time it will take. It doesn't take me a long time to deep condition my hair because my hair is not that dense. But I do, as you all see, have a decent amount of length on it. I have been constantly cutting in it, and I keep telling myself that I'm no longer going to do it, but then I find myself with the urge to cut in it again. But I'm going to try to resist it and just let it to see how long it's going to finally be able to grow. So I do have a pretty decent amount of conditioner in, and I'm able to separate it real easily, which is definitely what you need when you are deep conditioning. So I am liking the Garnier Fructis Whole Blends Honey Treasures conditioner. I have not tried the shampoo, and I may not try it because I do have to clarify my hair, being that I do use hair greases on there to seal in the moisture. But I'm loving how this is feeling on my hair. Look at that, I'm just able to glide it right through. I've had some sections that was pretty tangled, and I was just able to separate those strands and get it right through. So this is kind of like what you want in your conditioner. You see my hair is completely coated with it, and I actually might style my hair using this because I do use rinse outs as leave-in conditioners as well. It does not do any damage to my hair. So this is the first section of the Garnier Fructis Honey Blends, Whole Blends in the Honey Treasure, excuse me. So I'm just going to go ahead and go on with the second section of my hair. All right, Glam. So I pretty much have the product applied thoroughly through each strand, and I'm gonna cover it with a plastic cap and leave on for about an hour or so, and I will show you all the final results when I rinse it out. So far my hair has amazing slip. The conditioner has re-moisturized the hair, being that I did clarify. And as you all see, I'm just gliding right through. The slip on this is amazing. So I'm going to cover this over with the plastic cap, and I will see you all when I return. All right, Glam. So I am back with the rinse out of the Garnier Fructis Whole Blends Honey Treasure Repairing Conditioner. And as you all see, my hair is very manageable. I'm able just to separate and glide right through, which makes ease for styling. I already have a little bit of definition going on with the curls. The smell is still lingering, so that is one of the drawbacks, like I stated before, was the smell. But all in all, I would recommend this product. It is a good purse-friendly product if you're looking for an excellent condition that provides amazing slip, as well as being able to get the needed moisture back into your hair, as well as define those curls. So until next time, Glams, be blessed and be glamorous.